Hello everyone, I'm Amit Podar from Time Education, and I'm going to discuss about the implication of the removal of an important section in the CLAT examination, and that is the legal aptitude section. So as some of you may be aware of that this year in the exam CLAT, the law entrance examination, they're going to remove the legal aptitude section. I believe most of you, the aspirants, may be smiling because of this, because this is a good news, which means so the overall number of study hours may go down if in case I talk of the routine of students, because studying a new area totally is definitely a tough task, either before the board exams or after the board exams, because students are busy with their board exams. Anything which is very different, very new, takes a lot of time. So one very good thing which is going to happen is that students may invest more time in other areas of the CLAT examination than studying legal terms and torts and other law-based areas. But saying that, till now the clarity is not that much whether they're going to totally remove this legal aptitude section or partially remove it. Or maybe they may give some questions based on legal aptitude in, say, the logical reasoning section or somewhere in reading comprehension as well. Now, one important thing which I would like to discuss over here is that last year also, the type of questions which were there in legal aptitude, they were based on facts, principles and the options, which means there was a situation given, and then based on that situation there was a principle given to you. So everything was there right in front of you. So it was more of a logic based question rather than a law based question, I would say, and that's why they used to call it legal aptitude. So though they're planning to remove the whole of it, but the point is the reasoning based questions, the critical reasoning based questions will take care of this, I tell you. So I would say it should be a neutral approach by the student. They should neither be very happy about it nor be very sad about it. Only the plan should change, that how should I go about this whole change in the examination, because law CLAT entrance was known for this section called legal aptitude, which they'll of course teach you in the law school when you go there to study. They'll never teach you a lot of law, and I think this is the basic reason why they wish to remove this legal aptitude section. So that's one interesting thing about the CLAT examination this year. So unlike last few years, where in the legal aptitude section they used to give a lot of GK questions as well, a lot of legal maxims, torts, etc. So chances are this year you may not see a lot of these kind of questions in the examination. But these kind of questions which are based on common knowledge sometimes can be also there in another section, and that's GK section. So be ready for some questions based on constitution or law, which is expected, by them that students and aspirants should know about. Say for example, if I talk of a recent, removal of Article 370 for example. This is a very common knowledge. It's a very basic thing which one should know. Though it was Article 370 about some special status given to Jammu and Kashmir. And now currently, how many states and how many union territories do we have? So number of states have gone down, number of union territories have gone up. I mean, this is a common knowledge. So we cannot totally say, oh, this is a law-based question. Or even if it is about, say, for example, Article 15, for example. Though it is a tough one for so many, Article 15, I don't know what it's all about. But then, if it was the recent movie, Article 15, then you would know. So again, if I say that, okay, this is not a law-based question, this is a general knowledge question. Why? Because it's a common knowledge now. So these kind of some typical questions on certain sections maybe which are very popular, or some law terms which are very popular, those can be there in the examination. So one should not be, very happy about it. Okay, I should not study law at all. I should not know anything about articles, schedules and parts and all. That will not be the right approach, I would say. So yes, you should be aware of the legal happenings around in the last 1 year, and that'll be, enough to solve your purpose, I would say. Right? So be careful, be cautious. So that should be my advice to the aspirants. And once they come up with a plan, so stick to that and then study accordingly.